Hello, everyone, and welcome back to I Want to Learn English. Today, we will learn about two very important words. These words are conjunctions, they are so and because. These words help us connect ideas. Let's learn how to use them properly. Section 1, how to use so. We use so to show a result. The structure is reason, comma, so plus the action. Example 1, I was tired, so I went to bed. Example 2, it was raining, so I stayed inside the house. Notice the use of the comma before the word so. Now let's say this last sentence together. It was raining, so I stayed inside the house. Section 2, how to use because. Now, let's talk about because. We use because to show a reason. The structure is this: action plus because, then the reason. Example 1, I went to bed because I was tired. Example 2, I took the bus because it was raining. Notice we do not use a comma before because. Now, let's say that last sentence together. I took the bus because it was raining. Section 3, compare so and because. Let's look at both. I was hungry, so I made eggs. I made eggs because I was hungry. The same idea, different order. The so equals a result, and because equals the reason. Stop the video here and try this on your own. You'd say, I was hungry, so I ate, and then try a different food. For example, I was hungry, so I ate a hamburger. Now you try.
Pause the video.
Section 4, practice time. Let's fill in the blanks. Let's practice together. Choose so or because, and then say the sentence after me. I was cold. I wore my jacket. Now, did you say so? I was cold, so I wore my jacket. All right. Let's try another one. Let's try number 2. I wore my jacket. It was cold. All right. Did you say because? I wore my jacket because it was cold. Let's try another one. Number 3. She didn't go to class. She was sick. Did you say because? She didn't go to class because she was sick. All right, good. Let's try another one. One more. Do one more. 4. He was late. The bus was full. Did you say so? Good. He was late, so the bus was full. Section 5, real life mini dialogue. All right, so I want you to practice this conversation with a partner. I'm going to model it, and then you're going to practice it. Ready? Here we go.
Why are you making coffee at night?
Because I work the night shift.
Oh, I see. You're drinking so you won't be tired at work.
Now, let's repeat that conversation one more time together.
Why are you making coffee at night?
Because I work the night shift.
Oh, I see. You're drinking so you won't be tired at work.
Okay, good job, everyone. Now, let's review. You use so to talk about a result. It was late, so I went home. You use because to give a reason. I went home because it was late. Now, practice using both of these on your own. All right, now you got to work with a partner for these questions, okay? You're going to use either so or because. You're going to answer these questions with a partner, and then we'll come back and say goodbye, okay? The first question is, why did you come to class today? The second question is, what did you eat today? And why did you eat it? And number three, did you take the bus or drive today? And why? Now, practice this conversation with a partner. Make sure you switch roles. Remember, the goal is to try to use both so and because at least once in your answers. Stop the video here and begin your short conversations.
Pause the video.
Great job, everyone. Great. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button and share this video with others. Look at the catalog of videos that we have here to help you learn English better. Until next time, thank you for watching. I Want to Learn English.